Hello there. Today I will show you how to replace a Whirlpool fridge bulb replacement. It happens due to frequent fluctuation of current. So let's start replacing it. Start by turn off the power supply of the fridge. Now remove the milk tray provided under the defrost and keep it in a safe place. If you see under the right side of the defrost or defridge, you can clearly observe the light bulb is located. Now, start by unscrewing light bulb at clockwise manner. Here, you can see the light bulb got totally burned out. I tried to order the same specification bulb from online, and every website the bulb costed above 170 rupees only. So, I went to the local electrical shop and I got the same specification bulb at 30 rupees only. The bulb consists of external threads to hold at fridge bulb holder. Here you can see the bulb capacity of 250 volts and 15 watts and cost as well. Let's start replacing bulb. Keep the bulb exactly at the bulb holder location and start rotating it anti-clockwise manner until it gets fully tightened. Now check whether it placed in correct location or not. Before going to test the bulb, let's keep milk tray at its own place and close the refrigerator door. Now turn on the power supply to the refrigerator and check the bulb is glowing or not. It's working well and you can see the brightness of the bulb is very bright and good. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and share. Thanks for watching.